From Tuscaloosa, Alabama to Spiceland, Indiana. Come with us on a journey through the shared vision of two family-owned manufacturers, Draper and Phifer. Here's how we work together to create window shades with the American-made advantage of local design, quality, innovation, customer service, and quick delivery. As family businesses, we take a different approach to decision-making, based on what benefits your family and your projects, and not what benefits a group of investors. We see our dealers and their customers as our partners, not numbers on a spreadsheet. Draper and Phifer's unique partnership began decades ago and is built on deep roots and shared values. That partnership truly accelerated with the launch of the Draper Flex Shade in 1989, with Phifer's wide range of American-designed, high-performance fabrics playing a key role. Each unique American shade starts with Phifer designers using the finest yarns, precision-woven in Tuscaloosa, to mesh high performance with the trends, colors, and designs shaping the modern home. Phifer's design team uses American science and technology to create durable, solar-control fabrics that reduce glare, increase privacy, and add comfort while making your home look even more beautiful. The journey continues on the open highway straight through the American heartland. That means shorter lead times and no delays due to overseas shipping or production facilities outside the country. In Spiceland, Indiana, this fabric is manufactured into a complete Draper-designed shading solution, including hardware controls and automation made specifically for each unique window in your home. Draper is an integrated manufacturer with laser cutting, milling, powder coating, and other exclusive high-tech processes. Every completed shade is designed, built, and quality tested at Draper headquarters. Shading fabric designed and woven in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, shipped to Spiceland, Indiana. Applied to shading solutions, innovatively created and built locally. Draper shades with Phifer fabric are designed for living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and more. Thanks to quick shipping, our shades bring comfort, quality, and American-made craftsmanship home. This is the American-made advantage, crafted by Phifer, manufactured by Draper, right here at home. Together with our dealers, we support the communities where we live and work, creating beautiful, functional spaces for their customers.